you guys, I'm in here cleaning up my bathroom because everything in here is just a mess. And so I've been pulling things out of the cabinets. And look at all these boxes. I tried to consolidate because they all were not empty. And so I try to take like liners, put them with other liners, pads with pads, tampons with tampons, and overnight stuff just like that. So I consolidated everything down, I think, and I even put some inside of here so that I can put it under the cabinet, so when it's that time again I could just pull it out and have it in here. I'm going to fill this up a little bit more too. But I was in my cabinet and I pulled these out, buried down deep. So I think I'm going to throw those away. And it's like half a box. But yeah, like I purchased so much, and this isn't even half of it. This is just what I was like, I need to get this out the bathroom so I can go ahead and start cleaning. But I have some other ones too. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, and I wanted to do an empties video, just talking about the different kind that you can have, but that might be kind of drawn out, so I might just take a picture of it and then post it on my Instagram page just so you can see options, or make a reel out of it. I haven't decided yet. So I'm pretty sure that you've already seen this before because I think I've vlogged about it, but this is the box that changed my life. This is the first ever package that I got from Cora. I ordered it online, read about it, read the ingredients that's in the products, but not just the ingredients that are in the products, but how they help other females that can't afford items when it's that time of the month. And I kept everything. These are the tubes that you get so that when you go into the bathroom, you don't have to just take out your tampon. You can be discreet but cute at the same time. So it just goes in this little tube, and then the top, the top just pops off. And it just has Cora on here, but honestly, some people might not even know what that is, so it's not just broadcasting that you're on your period. And I think these all just might be empty. I was just saving the boxes to show you guys. The body cloths come in here, so it's like 18 sheets. And it says with every Cora purchase, we give period products to a girl in need. So that's just really nice, because you have to think about it. We already know, like, I spend a whole bunch of money on all these products monthly, and I mean, it's a shame that we have to pay for something that our body does on its own. We didn't ask for this, but just to know that there are females out there that don't have a way to get these items, I'm glad that my money goes towards that. So I would rather do this any time of day than just give my money away to something that I don't need. So just kind of like when you spend your money on stuff, you just know you're throwing money away. Alright, so since my time of the month is over, thank you Jesus, I'm going to put this under here, and then it'll just be under here, and I have to clean everything down there. But right now I'm just going to try to wipe down everything up here, because it's like coconut oil and everything up here. And I need to take everything out of this tray and wipe it down because it's so dusty. And then since I had oil in the tray, if you can see like how different, that's like kind of a darker black, it's because the oil's been there. So hopefully I didn't ruin my tray completely. And it's time to fill up all my cotton rounds, and I use the clear skin cotton rounds because it's a organic cotton round, and it's made to help so that bacteria and stuff doesn't keep living on your skin. My deodorant kind of stays up here, although I think I might be changing. I'm about to do a underarm detox, like a pit detox. So I guess I'll share the results of that with you and how everything works out with that. So yeah, but for right now, like, this is the only thing that I normally keep on my counter. It's this tray, the cotton rounds, and the deodorant, which I feel like I don't have to keep that up there anymore, like I said. So it's gonna wipe everything down, and this is what I'm using. Disinfecting wipes. It's so hard to come across wipes now because of COVID, but finally got some of these, and so that's what I'm going to be using. So all of this came from underneath my cabinet. It's in this bin that I need to clean out because I'm pretty sure a lot of these products are old. So I can keep the foot mask. This foot peel is pretty good. I have to do a video on this skincare. That's part of the oil that I showed you that stays on top of my counter. Some perfume, masks. These don't have to be thrown out. I can keep all of these. And alright, so this is stuff that I think needs to be thrown away because it's been down here for a while. I don't even use that. Some of the stuff I can't use just because of how sensitive my skin is. And I'll be scared to use some of the stuff because of how sensitive my skin is. So, once I try some things out, I can keep. This is just old. I like the Burt's Bees foot cream. It was okay, but I think it's just old, so I probably need to throw this away. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through this whole bin right here and then see what needs to be thrown away, since I am trying to clean up and declutter, because it's just getting out of hand at this point. So that's just what I'm about to go ahead and do now.
If you wanna have a good time, no more playing around, but now's the time to cross the line. Show me what's inside that soul, I'll let you feel mine. Come on, let's let our mind and bodies intertwine. I take the weight on my shoulders. Let's go, let's come down on me.
Alright, so this is everything that I ended up keeping. Well, I shouldn't say keeping. This is everything that came out that needs to go away. And then I have a something. Oh, this is what I am gonna keep though. I found this shower towel that you use, like if you're on the go and you don't have a place to take a bath, or if you're just in a rush, you can wipe off your whole body with this wipe. And then this Scentbird melting shower scrub that I got like a while ago, and I've never used it, so I might keep these two things. And these hair clips, not sure what I could use it for, but I'm not going to throw it away because I just think that'd be wasteful to throw in the trash. All of this is actual trash. And I ended up keeping, I have a whole lot of Paul Mitchell conditioners and stuff from like when we used to go to hotels or whatever. And we would always keep these if we didn't use them, just to have like as a spare. And I always would take my sister's, so that's why I have so many, because I would take theirs too. But yeah, so I kept that and kept these, and I just need somewhere else to put them because I don't want to keep it in this container. They'll have to go in the container for right now while I'm cleaning up, but hopefully I can find somewhere else to put it. And then I want to start working on cleaning out. So this is kind of why I want to clean it out. I don't use a lot of this makeup anymore, so it's just time to clean out and throw it away, for like just be safe, and you don't want to like reuse old makeup. Some Tarte blush, I think is what this is. Eyeshadows. I bought a brand new thing of foundation, but this one wasn't old, so I don't know, I might keep it. Eyeshadows, bronzers, nail polish that shouldn't even be in here, and throw that away because I don't use this brand anymore. Eyeliners, lip gloss, mascaras, fake eyelashes. I'm gonna keep these. So yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I need to do. This needs to be cleaned out, so I'm probably gonna start on that as well. Okay, so I don't like the idea of having my skincare products in the drawer. I want these to be like quickly in reach, so I'm putting it in the drawer right beside me here instead of putting it in the cabinet or under the cabinet. So yeah, so these will just go in here, and then I could just reach for those. And I'm almost out of, look, this is my toner, and look at it, it's more than halfway gone. The serum, I know, is almost gone. I don't even think this bottle was full whenever I bought it. So, and you can't even see inside of it because it has like this glittery coat on it. So I'm not sure if it was even full. I really don't think it was. This is for eczema or psoriasis, and she thinks that I have psoriasis. That's what the dermatologist told her that my skin looked like. So I have psoriasis, and then whenever my skin heals from psoriasis, it overheals, therefore leaving a whole lot of hyperpigmentation. So that's supposed to help with my skin, the psoriasis, and this is just a moisturizer. So I clean it with this, then my toner goes on, then I use my serum, then I put this on, and then I use my moisturizer. And that's my morning and night routine. So I'm just going to put this here, and then I'm going to throw away this makeup right here. I threw away most of it already, but I just want to go in and see if I can keep anything out of here. The only thing that was like newly bought were these Ulta eyeshadows, and I don't even know if I'm gonna keep these. I don't know. I might keep them because I don't see a reason in throwing these away, so I'm just gonna put it in my purse. I have like this little makeup bag of like lip gloss and eyeshadows, my foundation. I think I've shown it to you before, but I might put that in there. But then again, all of this stuff is just gonna go to the trash. So I finally cleaned out that one drawer that I need to clean out, and I'm just gonna throw all these products away. I had this to cover up the dark spots. I even had something for my eyebrows, but I'm gonna tell you this, and I mean this in like the most non-mean way. I went to a girl that was not my skin color, and I don't think she knew how to work with darker people's skin. So some of the stuff that she gave me just didn't work for me. And then this is like a dark, gave me like a dark brown or dark black actually for my eyebrows. And then like had me walk around looking so crazy. So I had to talk to somebody my own skin color to help me. And then I had already spent the money. I didn't take it back. I just kept it. But yeah. So I really love this. This is like my all-time favorite mascara, and it's supposed to help for like if your eyes water a lot, so it's waterproof. And of course my eyes always water a lot, so I always get this. It's like the best. That's why I had two of them, but one of them was empty and then the other one I had, but it's just kind of old, so I'm gonna get rid of those two. And this is by Tarte. I like this as well, but it's just old, so I'm gonna get rid of it. So I need to go buy some more of this color. I really liked it. I don't know if I can tell what the name of it was. I might have to take a picture of it just so I can keep it, because I need to go back and find it again. Some eyeshadow from Sephora. Makeup Forever. This is so old. Both of these are actually old. I bought these at the same time, and it's been a few years ago, so that's why I need to throw that away. I had some powder and some stuff to contour my face with, which was this. And the powder that I had, I really do like it. I'm struggling on you guys. But it's just old, so I feel like I need to take a picture of this, or at least write it down to see if this is still like the color that I need for my skin. But I know I need these two. This was, I don't think I ever used this. I think I might use it like once or twice, but like I said, I'm just scared. Like my skin is so sensitive, and I'm just like a germ freak, so I just feel like it's time to throw this stuff away. I don't want to be having like a whole lot of nasty germs in my face. This is the same. I know this matches my face correctly. But is this the old one? Yeah, that's the old one. This is the new one. I think I might keep this one actually. I haven't had it for that long, but I mean, I don't wear makeup that often, so that's why my stuff goes to waste so fast. So I'm gonna throw this one away, I think. I don't know. I haven't fully decided on what to do with these two things. I might throw them away, I'm not sure. This is old, so I'm gonna throw that away too. So all this is gonna go to the trash, like I said, except for these two Ulta eyeshadows, because I just bought those. But everything else will be thrown away. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully I can keep my bathroom and other areas of my apartment cleaned until the New Year's. If I clean up every night, I feel like I won't have to do a deep clean again. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. If you just say the words, you know I'll take you in.